So today we're going to take a tour of the Wellington Plan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. They do have customization available where they have an office and they could actually make that a 4th bedroom. They can buff out some walls, do another bathroom. They can do a bonus room here that would add another bedroom, another bath, and even a sky terrace where you would be able to actually look out over these views from your terrace level, also from the keeping room. So lots of options here. We are, as you can see, pretty much up on top of a mountain. And on one side are local mountains, Sweat Mountain, Kennesaw Mountain, and on the other side, the North Georgia mountains. So you're surrounded. The other thing that unique here about the Patrick Malloy homes in this community is they're all ranch plans. So, all on one level, which is pretty amazing. And then depending on where you land up here is going to be a lot premium. And these homes are running starting in the 700s, going up over $1 million, depending on what lot you choose, what plan you choose, and whether or not you have a basement. So let's go in and take a look at this gorgeous home. Alrighty, coming in the front door, 2 bedrooms and a bath on the right. Here's your first bedroom. Full bath with tub, subway tile to the ceiling, no skylight, and another bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors, wide hallways, your dining room. One of the things I love about these homes is how tall the ceilings are. Your dining room has exit to the front patio. You're coming on down the hallway. Here is a very nice size powder room. Shiplap wall. And then we come straight into the gorgeous living area. Beautiful. Well, of course, this is open to this awesome kitchen. Nice island, quartz countertops, pantry, double ovens. We have a little breakfast area here as well as a keeping room with fireplace. Remember those views we talked about? Look at all that, just incredible. Have a patio here, and we head to the other side is our primary suite and office. Your office could be converted to another bedroom if desired. This is where you'll come in from the garage. This would be your laundry room as you come in, and a mud bench. You can drop all your stuff. And finally, go into the primary suite. Again, with views. You should see this during the fall. We're a little late now, so you're not going to see all the trees and the gorgeous foliage, but it is here. Got a really nice size primary suite and bathroom here. Now they have these large walk-in showers, but they do have options. If you prefer to have a tub, then you would have a tub there. A shower would be relocated on the other side. You have dual vanities, your water closet, and your large primary closet. Well, that concludes our tour of the Wellington plan here at Horizon at Laurel Canyon. It is just unbelievably beautiful out here. And I just want to invite you that if you would love to see this area or anything else in Canton or the surrounding areas, please reach out to me. All of my contact information is below. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you will be the first to know when we have future tours coming available. See you soon.